Intelligent technologies like robotics and AI, they are fantastic in most cases for the people who are using them, who have their hands on them, the expert putting that new tool to work. The organization, by the way, that invests in it, the research is real clear there economically. They do better because they're more productive internally. They get more done at higher quality faster. They outcompete their competitors and they grow. They actually hire people. The myth is, oh, if they get AI, you're going to lose jobs. No, those firms actually are the ones that are going to add jobs. Who loses, but this gets right at this sort of long-term, short-term thing that you're talking about. The who loses out systematically in every single context I've looked at, except for one, is that novice who's trying to help in the work. And that's how they're going to really learn. Books and school, that all helps you sort of get table stakes to play in the world of work. Really, to build the kind of skill that is reliable under pressure, you got to be there and do it with somebody who knows more. And if the expert is more empowered to get better results with less help, that means that novice is going to struggle more and more and more to play. And it's a very subtle problem that that expert's not going to, listen, I spent the weekend at the annual conference for robotic surgeons, one of the key ones in San Antonio. And these folks care a lot about education, but they know that if they hand the controls for their robot over to that novice, they're going to be slower and make more mistakes. And there's a patient on the table. They're not going to do it. It's optional now. Before the robot, it was 4 hands to get the job done. So that resident had to be helping in some way. You could dial it back. You could keep them in the shallow end of the pool, so to speak, if they seem to be struggling. But that's how they learned. You want to move them from the shallow end to the deep end. Now it's a binary thing. It's like you're either in the pool or you're out of the pool. And if you're out of the pool, you're just watching. You're not learning.